WWE's Roman Reigns announces he has leukemia, cancer, and he is resigning from wrestling immediately. Last night Roman Reigns, WWE's biggest active star, announced that his real-life battle with leukemia will force him to step away from the ring effective immediately. "I was originally diagnosed with cancer back in 2008 at the age of 22. Though he quickly went into remission, he has been fighting the disease since." Reigns apologized to the Providence, Rhode Island crowd for not being the workhorse and fighting champion he aimed to be. He also announced he will relinquish the title effective immediately. Take a look at what some of this legend's fans had to say about his retirement.